Hello, my name is Emily Belcher, currently a sophomore at the University of Southern Indiana. Today I'm the of a graphic designer. Have you ever looked at a billboard or a poster at a mall and thought to yourself, I wonder how that was made? Well, today I'm here to answer the role of a graphic designer is so important and overlooked by society. In the words of Levent Emerson, graphic design elements to be paid attention in the social expectations for communication and values. The purpose is to inform the viewer of the skills, duties, salary, and job outlook of a typical graphic designer. Contrary to what some may believe, graphic design does require some post-secondary education. A bachelor's degree in graphic design is required for the career. Additionally, a minor in a related job-specific field is also recommended. Since there are so many different fields a graphic designer could go into, there's sequentially many different minors one could pursue. For the purpose of this presentation, I'm going to focus mainly on the role of graphic design in advertising. In the field of advertising, a minor would have greater luck pursuing a major in graphic design and a minor in either general marketing or specifically advertising. This gives the designer a better understanding of what their role in a company is. The first skill needed for graphic design is communication. Good communication skills are necessary for nearly all careers, for good reason. Being able to successfully communicate with coworkers, clients, and individuals involved in the design process can save time, energy, and frustration later on. Contrarily, a lack of communication that can result in misunderstanding and leaves room for error in one's projects, which could result in loss of money for the company. The second important skill used in graphic design is general computer or software knowledge. Graphic designers use several different programs in order to design their work. Knowing how to use these programs and fix them when need be is important. The third most important skill needed to become a graphic designer is creativity. Without it, creating and designing advertisements and brochures, etc. will prove nearly impossible. To be a graphic designer, one must be able to come up with combinations of color, graphics, and layouts to tailor each ad to its specific need. The duties of a graphic designer can differ based upon the field of graphic design one is working in. Resources.workable.net states that the graphic designer job description includes the entire process of defining requirements, visualizing, and creating graphics, including illustrations, logos, layouts, and photos. Once more, for the purpose of this presentation, we are focusing mainly on the role graphic designers play in advertising. Graphic designers communicate ideas and information to consumers through the use of design and marketing and advertising. When working, they choose the layout, backdrop, images, sizing, and everything else that is included in the ad that they are creating. The day-to-day duties of a graphic designer are a bit different compared to the overall duties. On a daily basis, graphic designers meet with clients, design layouts and visual elements, present and review design concepts with clients, and lastly, incorporate the changes recommended by the client or even a superior. Becoming a graphic designer takes very motivated and detail-oriented personality to be able to successfully complete these day-to-day duties. The salary of a graphic designer, just as the education and duties, depends on the field of graphic design they go into. For comparison, I will go over the four main fields of graphic design and their respective salaries. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, being the highest paid graphic design and advertising and public relations, it's an average salary of $51,380. Not far behind, the specialized design services are at an average of $51,320 annually. Below them, graphic designers in newspaper and book publishing get an annual salary of $43,450. But not least, graphic designers in the printing business receive an annual salary of $40,170. As you can tell, the pay can vary exponentially. An median salary of $50,370, which is far above the national individual income level, it is easy to make a good living off of graphic design. Because graphic design is such a popular and sought-out career, finding an open position can prove difficult. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics states that an overall general graphic designer employment projections from 2018 to 2028 are only projected to grow 3%, which is below the national average. These projections can depend on several factors, one of those being location. The geographic location of a potentially hiring business can make a huge difference. In conclusion, the role of a graphic designer is often overlooked. A major role in day-to-day lives of all individuals, yet they are often forgotten. Graphic design may seem simple to the outsider, however, it is fairly complicated. They must complete a bachelor's degree, fully understand their duties, and effectively perform for whatever company hires them. They must understand the needs and wants of the company while also taking into consideration who they are designing for. Making up to $50,000 annually for visual sounds too good to be true for some, which is why the position is so highly sought after.